Okay, tell me what you saw here today.
Well, I was videotaping a northbound CSX freight train, and as it passed by, I swung the camera around to the north and noticed a car sitting kind of funny at the crossing, and noticed they had been hit by the train. And as the conductor got out, he said actually the car ran into one of the engines. There was an older fella, and maybe he didn't notice it or something.
How did you just happen to be here videotaping the train that hit the car?
Well, I was trying to catch a video of a caboose that had been repainted into B&O colors, and the caboose wasn't on the train today, but I got a video of the accident.
So are you a train buff, a historian, or?
Yeah, I enjoy trains and train history.
And after the strike, we talked to the conductor, and did you see the gentleman who was driving the car? How did he look? Or
yeah, he was a little confused, and there was a lot of smoke in the car from the airbag. And but he said he was all right. He had a little cut on his hands, but he seemed to be okay.